Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I will help you how to recover deleted post on Instagram. So guys, if you have deleted many of post on Instagram by mistake and want to recover it, then I'll help you how to recover. So guys, you can easily recover that post. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your Instagram app. And guys, after opening it, you need to click on your main profile and click on three lines. And guys, after this, you need to click on your activity. So guys, here you can see here is the option of your activity. So guys, you need to click on it. And guys, after clicking on it, you can see the option is recently deleted. So guys, you can recover deleted post by 30 days. So guys, if you have deleted many of post under 30 days, then you will be able to recover that post. So guys, if many days or goes to deleted these post means greater than 30 days, then you will not be able to recover that post on Instagram. So guys, I am checking that my post, how can I recover? So simply you need to click on recently deleted. And guys, you can see that this post is available on this deleted tab. So guys, here you can see now, because I have deleted now my this post, therefore it says that 30 days remaining on this post, and after 30 days this post is permanently deleted from my Instagram account. So guys, if you have deleted under 30 days, then guys, you need to go this tab and click on that post. And guys, after this, click on three lines. And guys, here is the option of restore. So guys, simply you can restore from here and click on restore. And guys, after doing this, here you can see it confirmed that it's you restore or permanently deleted. So guys, simply you need to click on next and wait for a few seconds, and it needs a 6-digit code for verification. So guys, you need to open this Gmail address, and after opening it, you need to find that code. So guys, wait for a few seconds. I am checking the mail. So guys, you can wait. So guys, here you can see this is the mail verification your account. And guys, you can see this is the my code. And after this, guys, I am copy this code, and you need to go back. And guys, after this, you need to open your Instagram, and guys, here you need to paste your code. And guys, after this, you need to click on confirm. And guys, after confirming, you need to wait. And guys, I am clicking on refresh and check that my post is recovered or not. So guys, when I am refreshing, so guys, wait for a few seconds. So maybe it takes for a few minutes or few seconds, and after few seconds your post will be recovered. So wait for a few seconds, and we are checking that my post is restored or not. So my post is still on this deleted tab. So guys, wait for a few seconds. And now it says updating, and now you can see that my picture is restored. And when I am going back, and now I am checking that my post is restored or not. So guys, here you can see now my post is available on my main profile. So guys, by doing this method, you will be able to recover your deleted post on Instagram. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.